Hi, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to fade music in and out in Adobe Premiere Pro. And the reason I mention music is it's probably the most common thing you would want to fade in and out, but you can honestly do this on any audio track. All right, let's get started. Okay, first I'm starting out with the editing workspace. So if you want your layout to look like mine, go to Window, Workspaces, and Editing, and then Window, Workspaces, Reset to Saved Layout. And I have a music track down here, and I want this to kind of fade in right about here. So first I'll show you the Visual Fade Handles method, and this is the fastest one. Okay, zoom in close to the beginning or the end of your audio clip on the timeline. And when you mouse over, you'll see this little gray square, and it should be in the top corner of your audio track. You can click and drag the handle toward the center of the clip to lengthen or shorten the fade. You can also drag the handle up and down vertically to modify the steepness and curve of the volume slope. So that's one way to do it. I'll undo. Another way to do it is by using audio transitions via the effects panel. Open your effects panel, and mine is right under here. You can also go to Window, Effects right here if you want to find it that way. In the search bar, you can search for 3 different options. Constant gain, that is a linear volume shift. Constant power, which is a smooth, natural sounding curve, or exponential fade. And this is more of a sharp, dramatic fade. So I'm going to do constant gain, and here it is. I'm just going to drag and drop this onto the start of the clip. And now when I zoom out on that clip, you can see that fade coming in. And you can also adjust that with this same little block. You can move it up and down for different effects, and then right and left to lengthen it. So it's going to sound a little bit different with the other 2 that I mentioned, but you can just play around with them and see what sounds best for your situation. And that's it. All right, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.